Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a tutorial on how to do a half up, half down hairstyle using crochet hair. I know a lot of you may be used to seeing a lot of girls braid their hair down first before adding in the crochet hair. So if you're anything like me and do not know how to braid, then I got you. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to achieve a braidless crochet hairstyle. So I did skip any parts of me parting my hair because if you are familiar with my videos, then you already know how that goes. So fast forward, as you can see, my hair is in two sections. I'm going to have a bun at the top and a bun at the bottom. So I know some of you may be watching and asking yourself, okay, how is she going to hide her bun with the crochet hair? But you just have to keep watching until the end and see. So for this style, guys, I am going to be using beeswax and eco styling gel. The beeswax will definitely do the trick with slicking down my hair like I want to. I know you guys used to seeing me using jam for these type of styles if I am trying to slick down my hair, but I wanted to try the beeswax instead because I heard this product gives the best results when it comes to laying down your hair. Okay guys, so I couldn't find my ponytail holder, so I had to use this rubber band, and I feel like I just brought ponytail holders. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but I feel like my ponytail holders are always missing. But anyways, you know, dealing with rubber bands can be a hassle and they are so easy to pop, so here I am trying to be careful, and then all right, let's try this one more time. As you can see, I'm trying to carefully pull my hair through the rubber band so it won't pop this time. But look, see? Second time's a charm. This type of crochet hair I got from the beauty supply store. I bought 4 packs and they were $6.99 a piece, so not bad, right? But let's get to the fun part. So as you can see, I'm going to slide my crochet hook and slide it through my hair, then attach the crochet hair to the hook. Once it's through my hair, I will take the loop of the hair and the 2 pieces that's hanging out, as you can see, and slide that through the loop and then pull tight so that the hair doesn't come loose. I mean, I did see a lot of girls loop it twice, but since I'm not having this in my hair too long, I'm just gonna loop it one time. Easy, right? So as I get closer to the front, I will definitely show you guys what I'm doing. guys can see, you're not able to see my bun anymore, and that's the route that I'm going for. So this is the perfect method to do for your hair, especially if you don't know how to braid like me. So all you're doing is just crocheting the hair to the back of your hair into the bun and just adding a few pieces in to make sure that it has volume. Okay guys, so I'm almost done with filling in the hair in the back. So I'm just going to show you guys a close-up exactly how I'm adding in the hair. So once again, I'm just going to slide the crochet hook through my hair and attach the hair onto the hook. Then I will slide it through my hair, loop the hair through, and pull tight. Not too tight, just tight enough so that the hair will not come loose. Simple, right? As you guys can see, I'm starting to add the crochet hair through my bun. I know a lot of girls create a ponytail first and then tie the hair on, but I also seen a lot of girls crochet the hair onto the bun, and I actually like that method better. I don't know, I think it's easier to hide your bun and it also gives a neater look. But guys, leave me a comment below if you have any other different methods you can do to crochet your hair onto your bun. I know it's a lot of other methods, but these are the only two methods that I've seen, and this is the one I'm sticking to with crocheting the hair through the bun. To add this gold string I got from the beauty supply store to my bun, and as you guys can see, I was having a difficult time with wrapping the string around my bun, but it took me some time to figure out how I want it and how to adjust it, but after a while it finally came together. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair. What do you think? I think it came out way better than I thought it would, because I never liked crochet hair whatsoever, but I really love how this half up half down came out, and it's really cute. It was super easy. I mean, it took me a little bit longer than expected because I did have to stop a couple times to try to kind of figure out, okay, how much hair am I putting in the back, how much hair am I putting in the front. But I used, I think, 3.5 packs of hair because I really wanted that voluptuous volume hair, and it came out exactly how I wanted to. So let's check it out.